Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Friends, now in this video we are going to learn that how to protect a sheet in a single sheet, how to protect individual cells from the editing, right? Is it clear? Before getting to the topic, I would like to say one thing, I would like to show one thing. You can access this protect locked function from long-term method, that is in the front group. If you click on the handler, you can access the production, and even from the alignment handler you can access the production, even from the number handler you can access the protection. Is it clear? You may see that in the production, if you want to see that the protection locking system is pre-selected, that means if you lock the sheet, all the cells will be locked, cannot be edited. The protection will be applied to the all cells. But if you want to edit any specific cells, first you need to unlock them from the protection. So before that, I would like to show this basically. So now I'm not going to do anything. Simply I'll simply right click on sheet 2019 and click on protect sheet, and 1 2 3 4 okay, 1 2 3 4 and click on OK. Now you cannot edit any of the file because all the cells are already enabled for protection. If you protect the sheet, all the cells will be protected, right? So now I'm going to unprotect it once. So unprotect the sheet 1 2 3 4 okay, right? So now I'm going to unlock some cells. Now I would like to edit this area, right? So select this area and go to alignments or font or anywhere, just go to protection. I am going to unlock them from the protection. Now these cells are free. Now these cells are excluded from the protection, and okay. Is it clear? Now you right click on the sheet 2019, protect sheet, enter 1 2 3 4 okay, repeat 1 2 3 4 and okay. Now except these yellow cells, remaining all cells are already enabled for protection, already locked for protection, and after that we locked the sheet. So you cannot edit any of the cell, but you can edit these cells because these yellow area cells are excluded from the protection. Is it clear? That's it. And again I'm selecting these cells, click here and protect. You no need to select, it is not mandatory to select this area. Directly go to protect and unprotect 1 2 3 4. That's it. Now see, this time what we have done, we locked all cells and we excluded only this area. Is it clear? Right. But now this time I would like to lock only this area and I would like to remove all the sheet. So select the whole sheet, go to the alignment handler, go to production. First I removed the whole. First I have removed the protection to the all cells. Then I'm selecting only this yellow area, click on go to alignment, production. Now I'm locking only these cells for protection. Now this cell is excluded from the protection, and now these yellow area cells are locked for the protection. Now this time if you enable the protection, right click, protect sheet 1 2 3 4 okay, 1 2 3 4. You can enter any of the password as per your desire. I can easily remember 1 2 3 4, so I'm going to enter as regular 1 2 3 4 okay. So now you can edit any of the file because these are unlocked for the production, but these yellow area of cells are locked for the production. Then we activated production. Now if you try to enable this, now you cannot edit because these cells are protected. Is it clear? So this is how it works, right?
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.